Hello guys, and welcome back to another video where you have joined me at literally the most exciting thing happening in the world right now. We're at Dubai Expo 2020. It's been delayed a year because of Corona, but it's back and it's better than ever, and we're gonna have a little look around. Let me take you around, show you how it works, and some tricks and tips on the very first day of Expo 2020.
Excuse me, I am in charge of the security here. Please let me through.
I just got asked to move out the way by a robot. I'm blocking the security apparently. There's Expo bikes so you can drive around everywhere. These are the cycle tracks as you go around. Al Wasl in the middle. So there's a couple of core values that are at Expo 2020 Dubai. You have sustainability, which is the pavilion behind me. So here at the sustainability district, we have Petra, the sustainability pavilion. It is huge. The sustainability pavilion is all about solar power, which is in some of these disc-shaped things you see behind me in the architecture. And it's all about using the resources to keep the planet alive, whether that's planting all these amazing trees behind me or looking at renewable energy sources. So one of the things you have to get is an Expo passport. It's 20 dirham, and inside you can go and get your picture taken at a Canon booth somewhere, fill in your information, and then you can go around and get some stamps. I think the best thing for me to do, my first stamp, UK Pavilion. Let's go. We've made it to the UK Pavilion. So there's some pavilions like the one behind me, Uzbekistan, which have crazy detail. There's some that are fairly plain and simple, like the Brazil pavilion behind me. It looks super sleek. This light blue color with these big metal beams across it. It's nice to see this difference. Wow, and it's all water. Is there a specific page?
Yeah, so this is the green one is the sustainability page, which is where you're at right now. You're in the sustainability district.
Thank you very much. So this time Expo is being hosted in the Middle East for the very first time in Dubai, the city where I live. And obviously to represent the UAE, Dubai and the UAE have got their very own pavilion, which is this incredible falcon-like structure which has these wings which actually move. It's insane. Architecture, beauty. It has that white sort of color you see a lot in the UAE, and it looks incredible. Along with it being the first in the Middle East, it is also the first World Expo where every country has been represented. Now some pavilions have huge scale ones, some of them, like the ones to my left here, are smaller scale, and even some of them are gifted by the Dubai government for those countries that are less fortunate to be able to still present some of their ideas in one of these smaller pavilions, which really follows the idea of bringing everyone together. There's also some incredible architecture, like you can see from the Saudi pavilion behind me here. This whole building's like leaning and has screens going all around it, mirrored at the bottom. Insane. You've now joined me in Al Wasl, which has the world's largest projection mapping across the whole of this surface here. Last night was the opening ceremony, which looked incredible. Had some performances from the most amazing people in the world, and it was just such a good celebration of the Middle East and the world coming together. especially after Corona. The scale of this place is insane. One tip we just found out is actually the staff here, a lot of them have been here for about 3 months, trialing all the pavilions and really getting to know the whole park. Everyone you bump into, if you need information, these guys are really, really helpful. We needed to get to a pavilion, they know exactly where to go, and also they can recommend you what's best for you, whether it's what food you want or what sort of stuff interests you, whether that's new technology or some cool architecture. So talk to the people around here, loads of volunteers and employees. We've now made it to the Google Pavilion, I mean the Indonesia Pavilion. Oh my god. What is going on in here? So the Opportunity Pavilion, which is all about everyone having the same equal opportunities. Now Expo isn't just about the innovation, it is about making the innovation happen. Many of these places have offices and facilities where governments can meet and business people can meet to actually put these things in place, show off this new product or this new technology and make it actually come into real life. So an Expo happens every 5 years in a different country every time, and it's all about bringing new ideas and how we can progress as a world in the future. So a couple of things have been invented here, like ketchup was first shown off here, the Eiffel Tower was created here, touch screens, so it's really a place of innovation. So that's a short overview of Dubai Expo 2020 and what an Expo is and what you can experience here. I'm not going to give you too much information because I'm going to make a load of videos about this amazing place. So make sure you subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff, and I'll see you at Expo next time. Boom.